Lenovo 100 stereo analog headset. What's in the box? Headset. Warranty poster. Headsets in the office are a key part of the modern workday. VoIP, Voice over Internet Protocol. Calls are quickly replacing traditional phone service and saving companies on big telecom costs. The Lenovo Essential Stereo Analog headset is made for VoIP, offers an easy swivel mic boom, comfortable earpieces, and plug and play with most Lenovo PCs. Styled in a modern, cloud grey color scheme, these headphones with mic offer an elegant aesthetic that looks good whether you're working from home, attending online classes, or video calling with family. Enjoy unmatched comfort with premium protein leather and memory foam ear cups and an adjustable headband on this headset. The Lenovo 100 stereo analog headset is engineered for simplicity and effortless connection to all operating systems and devices with 3.5mm audio jacks for plug-and-play performance. Our wired headphones are made to fit your needs, with a flexible 180 degrees rotatable boom microphone that can be worn on your left or right side. Cable length 1.2 meters. Audio input 3.5mm. Convert adapter.